Well, how about that? What is up, everyone? I'm going to be doing something a little bit new on this channel, on top of trying to bring you guys some good Twitch and gaming content. I'm also going to be expanding and doing some more maybe truck videos or other adventures that I'm having around the local area. For instance, the video I just posted last week, hiking with Dom, some stuff like that. Maybe some review videos and just some new fresh content to the channel. For instance, this video is going to be a install and review of my new dash cam that I got a couple weeks ago. My thoughts on the dash cam, and then some footage from what I've gotten from it so far. And yeah, on top of that, I will have a new channel with just dash cam footage, full length road trips, drives to work, all that stuff that you can check out at my second channel, Deuce for Taco. Links will be down below if you want to check any of those out. Also have a second Instagram, Deuce for Taco, which is all about the taco, and pictures and videos of that. So yeah, stay tuned for more. So yeah, my initial thoughts after having the dash cam for about 2 weeks now. I really like it. I like the quality of video that it puts out. I think the compact and small size of it is awesome. It's not that noticeable. It's really easy to use. And I'm happy with it so far. So links to that also will be down below. Check it out if you like what you see and want your own. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks for everyone for hanging out. As always, keep it light and breezy. Peace. I'm out.